Alright, vlog, welcome back.
If you're waiting on me, you're backing up. I'll catch you.
Oh my gosh, I cannot see. This is gonna be bad.
All right, coming in hot. What do you want to do? Can. I'm gonna go to the right. That's where the lift is. That's if you just want to do just strictly this loop. That's that. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna catch the loop up, or that lift up, and go to Thunderhead. This Thunderhead Express is over here.
Well, I understand, but Dad's already down there.
Well, I understand.
I don't know if do you want to go on that one, or you want to go on down?
I don't know what you're doing there.
Yeah, I don't either. He's going up on that one.
I thought we were going.
We're gonna just go on down and do Christie. Okay. You want to go with us? Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
See you later.
See ya.
Can you come there with something? If
Huh?
you can share your...
Ah, dang it. So do you want to go with them or you want to follow me?
Well, I mean, I could go down. I made it, but where, are you going easy?
Huh?
Are you doing easy one?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll go with you.
I'm going greens. I won't put you on any blues or blacks.
Okay, that's all I need to hear. Alright, let's do it. Oh, yes,
Oh yeah. There is one spot here that's kind of not fun. There's one spot here that's kind of not fun, but it's just because the powder is thick.
Okay.
But it's in the, like, it's in the kids zone. Yeah. So right here, we're gonna go left, okay? You good? All right, we're going right down here. So stay to the right behind these people. You were doing good whenever we were up there. When I was coming around, when I was following up behind you,
Like, accept the fact that
you were just making those nice slow S curves like I told you. Yeehaw!
all right.
All right. The only thing is these gloves don't fit in those very well.
Oh yeah, those are small.
Yeah, well, these gloves are really big. They're heavy. They may not have been the best choice because they're hot now.
Oh yeah, better hot than cold.
So BC Skiway is kind of where that that snowboarder is up there. We kind of roll back down and then come down this and kind of join back in.
Okay.
And so what we'll do, if you want to, we'll do exactly what I did, which we'll go down to Why Not.
Okay.
which is, it's a little bit like, they're narrower, like how wide these are. They're narrower, kind of like whenever you first get on Boulevard.
It's way down, yeah.
It's
okay.
kind of like that. So just be aware that it's gonna be a little bit snug.
Is it steeper though?
But it's not steeper.
Oh,
so
then
it's,
that's fine.
it's generally just like, it's a nice smooth grade.
Perfect. As long as it's not like sloping super downhill with a tiny narrow pathway.
I think it'll be, I think you'll like it better because it's not as much powder. You see what I was meaning whenever we turned there?
Yeah, that was a lot of powder. I went to go turn one
You're
time.
like, ooh.
And then I hit like a bump. There wasn't a bump underneath, but I couldn't see nothing because there was snow. Oh,
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. So this, like I was telling mom and dad whenever we were at lunch, it's like, this is icier. It doesn't have as much powder on it.
Kind of nice.
Which will mean, well, you'll be more used to it because it's used to what you're used to skiing in the past. Like that's why you got hung up right down there, is because you got hung up on the powder trying to make a turn.
Yeah.
And it just yanked your skis out from you.
Yep. I so badly wish you had GoPro on. I can't believe I didn't have it on when